What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the cargo light bulb on this 2010 Toyota Rav4. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Just take a straight blade screwdriver right under this lens assembly. Just pop it out like that and then slide it. Disconnect the connector right here. You can use the same pocket screwdriver. Push down on that lock. And then just slide the connector out like that. Now to get access to the bulb, just take the same pocket screwdriver. There's some little lock tabs right there, and then right there, you just take this cover off, slide it off like that. And there's the bulb. You just grab the bulb, push on that, pull the bulb off. This bulb is a DE3022 bulb, so we'll just slide it in like that, and then you might have to push down on this tab a little bit and get that lined up just like that. Sits in there right there, and take the cover, slide the cover on, only goes on one way, and there you go. Now you can reinstall the lamp into the door. Now take the lamp assembly, line the connector up, lock it in place, slide that right there, slide it in that way, and lock that in place. Test it out, make sure it works, and you're good to go.
Thanks for watching. If you want the parts to do it yourself, check out 1aauto.com, the place for DIY auto repair.